Um, for the director, who was your, did you have any lineup of actors and actresses to consider to cast as Romeo and Juliet, or did you go directly to Noel? And
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, good evening. For our cast, it's really fair for everyone because, as you know, most of our actors here are trained and first time, and they did audition. They go under the process of auditioning and workshop and so on. So everyone was well prepared for the specific roles that they have now. Thank you so much. Sir.
Flo, where's Flo? You wanna come?
First of all, congratulations to all the productions. It was so great to watch all of you from here. My question is, how is the creative process, or do you encounter any anomalies or difficulties? Because I know it's really hard to settle the mood of an artist or of an actor depending on their mood.
Yeah, it's before we started, we asked our friend to have a workshop on understanding Shakespeare because some of the people are intimidated with the words of Shakespeare. So, nakatulong yung workshop, and also we deal on the music of it. So, you will observe that if the line is said to the audience, it should be in a dialogue form. But if it is in dialogue, it's more of the dialogue form. So para nandun, ma-maintain pa rin yung Shakespeare sound. So, yun, more on study the music, memorize, because you cannot ad-lib with Shakespeare words. Kasi it is limited only into 10 syllables. So, you have to memorize it and walang pabanjing-banjing.
I would like to add also for the question, yung challenge during the creative process, it's making, na mahirap po yung panatilihin yung iambic pentameter ni Shakespeare with, pag in-incorporate natin siya sa music when delivering it. That's why everyone is challenged, and I'm happy naman ako personally during our rehearsals, nakita ko naman yung effort ng bawat isa in studying each roles and each lines that they have.
Yeah, so in terms of creating the music, so it's really a challenge because it can be quite limiting as a composer when you put music into Shakespeare's lines. So I took that challenge, and what you just heard this evening is the product. And we had to be patient with everyone, especially the actors who had to learn all the notes. If you noticed, they're not really that hummable. So, yeah. But we're very happy. Everyone did their job quite well, and we hope that you also appreciated this type of music that we presented this evening. Thank you so much.
This is not a question.